In the previous lesson, we built the assembly you see in the screen. We inserted each component one at a time and applied the mates based on the directions you see on the left-hand side of the screen. And this was all part of step 1 of 2 for this assembly. Now to finish up step 1 of 2, let's move forward to the next screen. On this screen we are looking at a front view of this assembly, and we have two new dimensions, dimension A and dimension X. Referring to the directions, dimension A is 150 millimeters. Once we apply that dimension A, we can then measure the angle X. So what is the best way to apply dimension A? That would be with a distance mate. We would select this edge of the hook along with this edge of the bracket. So let's go to SOLIDWORKS and apply that mate. I am going to rotate this assembly to a front view. I will zoom in on this area of the assembly, and then I will go to the assembly ribbon and select the mate icon, and then I'll select the edge of the hook, the edge of the bracket. I'll then select the distance mate and key in a value of 150. You'll see the assembly updates. I'll select the green check mark, close out of mate, and let's fit this to the screen. Now we're ready to measure the angle X. Referring back to the directions for a second, that dimension was from the top edge of the bracket and the lower edge of the long linkage. Returning to SOLIDWORKS, the easiest way to find that measurement is by going to the Evaluate tab and using the Measure tool. Select Measure, select this edge along with this edge, and we have an angle of 74.47 degrees. And that matches up exactly with the correct answer. And that will conclude step 1 of 2 for this assembly.